Hello everyone, today I will be swatching Born Pretty Black Spar Series Gel Polish for you. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So here I have Born Pretty Gel Polish shade BWH127 and shade BWH128 and the shade BWH126. So first I'm gonna try the Born Pretty Gel Polish shade BWH127. Shade BWH127 is a silver glitter color gel polish. So I'm gonna apply the first coat. Next is I'm gonna try the Born Pretty Gel Polish shade BWH126. This shade is a golden yellow glitter gel polish. And next is the shade BWH128. Shade BWH128 is a black glitter gel polish color. This gel polishes comes from the Black Spar series. So we all know today is Mother's Day and I want to greet all the moms in the world happy Mother's Day to all of you. As Mother's Day is here, this is the day that we appreciate all the things that moms do for us. Thank you for the love of mom. Born Pretty official website has prepared a lot of welfare events for you from May 1st to May 12th. Born Pretty official website offers up to 20% off site-wide. And if you order over $80, you get a set of nail brush for free. Plus, you get an extra gift surprise if you mark Mom Hero in the order note on the shopping cart page. And for more surprises, please keep an eye on their official website, bornpretty.com. I'm gonna make sure to leave the link below on my description box so you guys know where to go. And don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13. So now I'm applying the second coat. So I love the color combination of black, gold, and silver. It is a very pretty color combination. So make sure to check the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And then apply top coat. So this is the result, guys. I love the color combination and the gel polish is very shiny and pretty. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.